Customer sales orders by customer report. Go to customers, select reports, select customer sales orders by customer report. You can select the date range, select customer, select customer category. You can select the customer status. From style option, you can select summary or detail. First, we will generate summary report. From document status, you can select pending, invoiced or all sales orders, and you can view the report. In this report, you can view sales order date, sales order number, quantity, and total selling. In this report, transactions are grouped by the customer. First, you can view the food company and sales order. Next, you can view the IT retailers and sales orders. Next, we will generate detailed report. Select detail and refresh. From this report, you can view the sales order details, and in the detailed report, you can view the item details also. In previous report, in summary report, we couldn't see that item details. It's only summary, and in this report, detailed report, we can view the line items of the sales orders. Furthermore, if you untick this use foreign currency checkbox, you can view the grand total.